Hi guys, if you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Miriam. Today I want to show you guys how to make this delicious Ofe Nsala, popularly known as white soup. So if you're interested, keep on watching, subscribe, like, and leave a nice comment.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
For this recipe, we will need this ingredient: yam for thickener. This is oziza leaf, our stockfish, pepper, red and yellow pepper, crayfish, obe, no, oziza seed. Then this is the star we show, catfish. We are making this soup with catfish. I'll blend the obe, oziza and crayfish for this soup. Inside this boiling water, we'll add the yam. We are using this water for the soup, so I'll spice the water. So here we have the oziza and obe grinded, crayfish, salt, and the pepper, red and yellow pepper. We're adding it inside the pot. Stir everything together. We'll allow it to boil till the yam is tender. We blend the yam, so we'll allow it to get softer. The smoked fish, I've washed it with hot water. We'll add it inside the pot. This will give the soup a whole lot of flavors. So we'll add it now so it will get softer. Cover everything. Boil. I'll take off the yam and blend it. The yam is ready now. I'll take it off. So I'm adding the blended yam to thicken the soup. Add the fish now. And cover it up. Guys, our soup is ready. Our soup is red. The last stage to add the oziza leaf. Turn off the heat. Then stir everything together. Ooh, the aroma. You guys need to try this recipe out. So guys, this is how the soup looks. I really do hope you like it. If you find this recipe interesting and helpful, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share my videos, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every and anytime I post a video. Thank you guys for supporting. See ya in my next video. Bye.